The Lucknow bench of the Allahabad High Court has directed the UP government to initiate an inquiry or consider referring the matter to a central agency over allegations that leader of the opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, holds dual citizenship. The direction came while the court was hearing a petition filed by S. Vignesh, a BJP worker from Karnataka who had challenged a January 28 order of a special MP-MLA court in Lucknow. The lower court had earlier dismissed his plea seeking the registration of an FIR against Gandhi, stating that it was not competent to adjudicate matters relating to the citizenship. According to the petitioner, he possesses documents and certain emails allegedly originating from the British government, which he claims indicate that Rahul Gandhi is a British citizen. On this basis, he has argued that Rahul Gandhi would be ineligible to contest elections in India and cannot hold the office of a member of parliament. The petitioner further contended that the alleged facts attract provisions under multiple legal frameworks, including the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, the Official Secrets Act, the Foreigners Act and the Passport Act, and therefore warrant the registration of an FIR along with a detailed investigation by law enforcement agencies. Well, the dispute has moved through multiple stages of the judicial system. The matter was initially placed before a special MP-MLA court in Raebareli, which was the first forum approached for the registration of an FIR. However, that court declined to entertain the request on the grounds that it lacked the authority in order to decide complex questions related to citizenship status. Subsequently, the High Court transferred the matter on December 17, 2025 to the Lucknow MP-MLA court for further consideration. Well, after the Lucknow court also rejected the plea, the petitioner once again approached the Allahabad High Court seeking intervention. While hearing the matter, the Lucknow bench observed that the allegations made by the petitioner require examination and cannot be dismissed outright at this stage without appropriate inquiry. The court therefore directed the state government of UP to either carry out the investigation itself or, if deemed necessary, entrust the matter to a central investigating agency for further examination. And the court's order is understood to be procedural in nature, focusing on whether the allegations merit investigation rather than establishing the veracity of the claims themselves. Following the order, the petitioner publicly expressed satisfaction and described the court's decision as significant. In a statement shared on social media, he claimed that the judgment was a landmark development and asserted that it served the interest of national security and public interest. He also stated that he remains grateful to the judiciary for what he believes is a step towards uncovering the truth behind the allegations raised in his petition. In addition, he has sought enhanced security protection, reportedly requesting an upgrade of his Central Reserve Police Force cover to the highest level. Meanwhile, the UP government has indicated in court proceedings that it may consider transferring the investigation to a central agency, including the Central Bureau of Investigation, depending on the course of action decided by the authorities. The case continues to remain at the stage of the examination with no formal findings having been made regarding the allegations. It is also important to note that the Constitution of India does not permit dual citizenship. Eligibility criteria for holding public office require compliance with Indian citizenship laws. However, at this stage, the court's direction is limited to ensuring that the allegations presented in the petition are examined through an appropriate investigative process rather than delivering any conclusive judgment on the matter. The issue has now been placed before the competent state authorities, who are expected to decide the next steps in accordance with the High Court's directive, either by initiating an investigation themselves or by involving a central agency to look into the matter further. That's all for now. Stay tuned to the Savera for more updates. Do like, comment and subscribe to the channel.